Here we go. All right, Friday night. I can't even tell. I mean, it's amazing. You know what? We were just doing this yesterday, and we're going to do it again tomorrow. But it is Friday night. I got a great one for you. I'm taking you to the beach. I'm taking you to the Caribbean. You know? I mean, we're doing this one up right tonight. And I might even have fixed the Wi-Fi. It's been a busy day. Come on in. And let's do something up here. We are going to get ready. We're going to make tonight you know what? Can't do it. I mean, it's cabin fever, man. I'm going nuts. I can't stay in the house anymore. You know what we're doing? We're taking this. We're road tripping it. We're going outside. Let's go to the outside. We're going to the patio. We're going to the new other bar. Let's do this. You ready? Denver, you ready? Come on, let's go. We're doing it. He's ready. I know you're ready. Oh, man. I know. We haven't been outside in like weeks. Oh, folks. Fresh air. Fire. I mean, does it get any better than this? Oh, I know. Easy. Come on. Folks, come join us in our other bar. Oh, yeah. Let's go around the back way. Here we go. For those of you who've never been here, welcome. This is the outdoor beer barn and Lake LeMasters. Not much of a lake right now, but that's what we got. And well, I'm going to let you go on by. Enjoy our little indoor, outdoor party patio. No animals were harmed in this. All right, so tonight we're going BVI. We're going ultimate BVI, British Virgin Islands, in case you're trying to keep score at home. We're making a painkiller. Now, this is a great drink. Now, I'll be the first to tell you, the really way to do this is sitting in the sand, feet in water. I mean, this is how you do it. We don't have any of that. I mean, I guess I can go put my feet in that water, but that's gross. So, we're just going to teach you how to make it. Now, this one's going out to a group of people that we roll with. We got a little BVI group. Shout out to everybody out there tonight. You're going to enjoy this one. I'm going to teach you how to make your own painkiller. And look, this is perfect because this is really a Saturday drink. So everybody's being at me, telling me to make it the same day. I'm giving you the drink. You sip on this tomorrow. It's going to be perfect. All right. How do you make it? Now, this is actually a pretty easy drink. Matter of fact, I'll show you something. If you go down to the old BVI, you're going to get yourself a couple soggy dollar cups like this. They're going to be filled. We got a whole bunch of these. But anyway, so painkiller. It's a pretty simple drink. Well, let me get some of this ice out. Pour that into our... Now, you may not have your official painkiller British Virgin Island Navy tin cups, but we do. Now, here's all you need to do. Let me tell you history, though, and get into this. Daphne Henderson, 1970s, all right? Now, this drink doesn't have a crazy long history. Like I said, this is in the 70s. She's working at Soggy Dollar. Soggy Dollar is a little island on a beach. Joost Van Dyke, British Virgin Islands, White Key. And anyway, she makes this drink with Pusser's rum. We're going to get to that in a second. But anyway, she makes this drink. Everybody hears about it. She calls it the painkiller. Apparently to kill the pain from your hangover. It's this great drink. People are coming from all over to try it. Well, that's your history. That's how it was made. It goes to her. She made it. Daphne Henderson, she creates it. But here's where the story gets interesting. Later, same 70s, Charles Tobias shows up. Well, who in the hell cares about Charles Tobias? Well, here's who cares about Charles Tobias. Charles Tobias is the owner of Pusser's Rum. By the way, Pusser's Rum. Now, he's the owner of Pusser's Rum, and he is hearing about this amazing drink that is being made at this little bar. And when I tell you little bar, this is a beach bar with like 6 chairs. Been rebuilt. It's back. It's still there after all the storms and everything. But anyway, he shows up and he hears about this and he wants to try it. Well, he tries the drink, loves it, And of course, he wants to know, how do you make it? Well, Daphne's like, I'm not telling you. So he literally, they become friends. And over a 2-year period, he is drinking and asking her constantly, how do you make the drink? She will not tell him. Finally, after 2 years, and they have become great friends now, she still doesn't give it up. The recipe, that is. And he staggers off of the island. By the way, it's called Soggy Dollar because there's really no docks. How you get to the beach, you hop off your boat, you walk through the surf, and when you get there, your money's all wet, hence Soggy Dollars. I'm not making it up, folks. So anyway, after 2 years, finally, although I didn't come over with it sooner, he takes one of the drinks off of the island, staggers onto his boat, he invents it basically and tries to break it down, reverse engineer it, and he comes up with what he thinks is the recipe. Now, let me tell you, to this day, the actual recipe, nobody actually knows it. Everybody thinks they know it. So he makes it, comes back, he tells everybody, I got it, it's 4-1-1-1. 4 parts pineapple, 1 part orange juice, 1 part coconut cream, and 1 part Pusser's rum. He makes it for everybody at the bar. They all taste it and they say, close, but that ain't it. So, from there, that's where we're going with. So, let's make your drink right now. And let me show you how to do it. So, you're starting off pineapple juice. It is 4 parts pineapple juice. Now again, there's tons of recipes out there. I'm going to give you what I think is the closest and best one. It is 4 parts pineapple juice. So, we're going to go 4 ounces. There's 2. There's 4. This should be 2. Need another can. I'm making one for Shelby. She apparently wants one tonight too.
Damn straight.
Go figure. Alright. 2 more pineapple on this one. Here's your 4. Now, here's the next part. The orange juice. Everybody agrees. It is 1 part orange juice. So, flipping it over, 1 part orange juice. Now, I'll tell you when you go there, the reason secret, they're not making this in front of you. They have just gallon jugs of mix made up in basically in old milk cartons, milk jugs, and they're just splashing it in. I mean, it's amazing. Now, next, it is 1 part cream of coconut. This is the good stuff. I finally found a better batch, folks, in case you were worried about me at home. I'm okay. So 1 part of coconut. Again, you're allowed in. Now, the last part, Pusser's rum. 1600s, all right? Pirates, no pirates. We're gonna go Royal Navy. So the Royal Navy, what they did is one of the ways that they paid the sailors was every day they would actually get a ration of rum. Now, the person who handed out that rum was called the Pusser. Later, by sailors, nicknamed the Pusser. So the Pusser gave out a tot, that's what one little ration was, a tot of rum. So every day, the Pusser gave a tot of rum, and that's how they lived. Now, this was back in the 1600s, folks. Now, here's the funny part. Do you know how long this went on in the Royal Navy? Somebody guess. Not even close. All the way up to 1970, about when this drink came about. Coincidence? All right, probably not. But in 1970, July 31st, 1970, they decided, the Royal Navy that is, that they could no longer give out tots, rations of rum. And it was the last day they ever did it. Now that day is actually now known as Black Tot Day. Honest to goodness, and it was a sad day. So they no longer do that. But that went on, again, all the way until 1970. And that is how Pusser's got its name. Now, 4-1-1, 2. You're going 2 ounces in each one of these of Pusser's rum. Oh. Oh. Now, when you're getting them made on the island, I can tell you this. One drink you'll get, it might have 1 ounce in it. The next drink might have 2. By the end of the day, I swear, some of them have 4 ounces of rum in them. And they're all delicious. So, we're going to take those. That's all you need. Oh, oh. Shake them up. Now again, on the island, you're not getting any of this. On the island, these are pre-made. They're in just gallon jugs. You just pour them out. They're making like 30, 40 of them at a time. Hilarious. And delicious. All right. New glassware, folks. There we go. There's one. And there's 2. All right, now, all you're going to do, strain them over ice in your cup. There's 1. No garnish, folks. No limes, no pineapples, no cherries, none of that, except they will take and they will grind fresh nutmeg on top. Now, I don't have fresh nutmeg. And even though my liquor store knows me very well and I bought a lot of crazy stuff lately, they don't have a little nutmeg. So we're going to just do a little sprinkle of nutmeg. Now, God help me, and I apologize, Soggy Dollar. I apologize, Daphne Henderson, for what I'm about to do. But I got a vitamin C emergency this drink up a little bit. So what we're going to do, we're going to just take a little bit of that bad boy, and we're going to sprinkle that right on top as well. A little bit right there. Throw the rest back there. My friends, you now have your official Quarantine Painkiller straight from the BVI's. This is a rockin' drink. This is how you want to start off your night. You want to do these all night, you carry these right into the morning. That's our plan tonight. So, thanks for joining me tonight. I hope you had a ton of fun. Oh, I gotta tell you. So, Ernest Hemingway, also, about this drink, I don't know if you ever had one, but let me tell you what I do have. I have received my very own Ernest Hemingway cologne. So, now, not only do I talk about Ernest Hemingway, I smell like him. It smells like old alcoholic cigar scent. It's delicious. So my man crush apparently has gone to another level. Folks, I hope you had fun tonight. It's Friday night. For God's sakes, try to at least sit outside, have a little fun. Love everybody, miss everybody. Hope to see everybody someday soon. Enjoy your quarantine painkiller. See you tomorrow night, 7:30. Cheers.